Can you barely touch your toes? Do you wake up in the morning with an aching back? If so, it's time to take a more active role in making sure you have full body flexibility and mobility throughout the day. Stretching can help prevent stiffness, improve your posture, and increase your physical strength and endurance. Today, we're going to show you exercises that will help increase your flexibility and mobility, and that will get you on track to becoming more bendy. The benefits of stretching. Regular stretching can improve your flexibility and range of motion, which can make everyday activities a lot easier. Stretching can also help relieve muscle tension and reduce the risk of injuries. Plus, it just feels darn good. Stretch number 1. The neck stretch. When the head and shoulders drift forward due to poor posture, some muscles in the chest and neck can shorten and become tight over time, which can perpetuate the poor posture that is causing neck pain. The neck stretch can be performed 3 to 5 times per day. Hold position for about 30 seconds, then change side. Repeat 2 or 3 times. Also, rotate the head clockwise 10 times and anti-clockwise 10 times. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Stretch number 2. The side reach. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Place one arm on the side of your thigh and reach the opposite arm overhead. Reach over to the side, hold for 10 to 30 seconds before repeating on the opposite side. Only go as far as is comfortable for you. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Stretch number 3. The shoulder roll and cross arm stretch. Your shoulder muscles stabilize your shoulder joint and help you move your arm in many directions. Stand straight with your arms by your sides and with your feet shoulder width apart. Slowly rotate your shoulders forward, making big circles. Repeat the movement backward until the set is complete, then bring your left arm across the front of your body at about chest height. Support your left arm with the elbow crease of your right arm or use your right hand to hold your left arm. Stretch out your shoulder and continue to face forward. Hold this stretch for 30 seconds and repeat on the opposite side. Repeat both exercises 2 to 3 times. Stretch number 4. Cat and Cow stretch. The cat-cow stretch is an essential exercise, and for good reason. It involves moving the spine from a rounded position, flexion, to an arched one, extension. Each movement is done in conjunction with either an inhalation or exhalation of the breath, making this a simple smooth transition between movements. Begin on your hands and knees in table pose, with a neutral spine. As you inhale and move into cow pose, lift your sit bones upward, lower part of your pelvis, press your chest forward and allow your belly to sink. Lift your head, relax your shoulders away from your ears, and gaze straight ahead. As you exhale, come into cat pose while rounding your spine outward, tucking in your tailbone, and drawing your pubic bone forward. Release your head toward the floor, just don't force your chin to your chest. Most importantly, just relax. Do as many in 1 minute as you can. Relax for 20 seconds between sets and repeat 2 to 3 times. Stretch number 5. Standing lunge stretch. You can stretch your psoas muscles and other hip flexors using variations of the popular lunge exercise. This basic stretch will help you loosen up and counteract the effects of sitting too much or tight hips from sports such as cycling. Stand in a split stance with your right front forward and your left foot straight back. Bend your right knee so that it is at about a 90-degree angle. This should put you into a forward lunge position. Place your hands on your forward knee. Keep your shoulders relaxed, your hips even, your chest open, and your gaze straight ahead. Press down with your hands and drive the hips forward until you feel a stretch from the front of your hip, groin, and thigh on your left side. Hold the stretch for about 20 to 30 seconds. Release and repeat on the other leg. Repeat 2 to 3 times. This is a beginner's, simple daily stretch routine. If you enjoyed this video, and want to see a more advanced stretch routine, leave a comment below and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.